This video by Next Inside Process contains AI-generated visuals created for educational and documentary purposes.
Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how cane sugar is made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
Freshly harvested sugarcane arrives at the factory. Long green stalks. Still carrying the scent of the fields, massive trucks unload their cargo as the canes spill onto moving conveyors, beginning their journey inside the plant. With the steady rhythm of heavy machinery, raw nature transitions into precision. The first step in transforming sugarcane into crystal sugar. Up close, the transformation begins. Fresh sugarcane is washed under powerful streams of water, stripping away dust, soil, and field residue gathered during harvest. Every stalk is thoroughly cleaned, ensuring only pure cane moves forward in the process. Moments later, rotating steel blades slice through the cane with precision. The long, tough stalks are chopped into fine fibers, opening their structure and preparing them for juice extraction. With each rhythmic cut and mechanical click, the cane is reduced into a form ready to release its natural sweetness. A carefully controlled step where cleanliness, timing, and machinery work together to protect quality at every stage. The journey accelerates. From above, rows of preparation machines stretch deep into the factory, operating in perfect sync. Chopped sugarcane moves rapidly beneath the camera, carried forward by powerful systems designed for speed and efficiency. Jets of steam rise into the air, surrounding the machinery in a dramatic haze, while light flares cut through the industrial atmosphere. Here, heat and motion work together, softening the fibers, preparing the cane for maximum juice release. Every second is measured, every movement calculated, as the factory pushes the cane closer to its true purpose, unlocking the sweetness hidden inside.
Now, the real extraction begins. Massive industrial rollers close in, gripping the prepared sugarcane fibers with immense force. As the rollers turn, the cane is slowly crushed, releasing streams of fresh green juice from deep within the plant. This juice, rich, raw, and full of natural sugars, flows through wide channels below the machines. It is the foundation of crystal sugar, the essential liquid from which everything else will be formed. Behind the deep mechanical hum and the steady sound of flowing liquid, nature's sweetness is finally set free, ready for the next stage of refinement.
Inside towering evaporators, the extracted sugarcane juice is heated with precision. As temperatures rise, the liquid begins to boil, slowly thickening as excess water is removed. At a macro level, bubbles form and burst across the surface, releasing waves of steam into the air. The color deepens from fresh green to a warm, glowing gold, signaling the transformation into concentrated syrup. This is a critical moment in the process. Timing, heat, and control determine purity and yield. As the syrup reaches the exact consistency required, with every rise of steam and every rolling bubble, the path toward crystal sugar becomes clearer. In a controlled high-tech environment, crystallization begins. Robotic arms move with flawless accuracy, adjusting valves and monitoring each tank in real time. Inside these vessels, the thick golden syrup cools under exact conditions, allowing sugar crystals to slowly form. Every variable is measured: temperature, pressure, and timing, ensuring uniform growth and perfect structure. Each batch is carefully refined and tested for purity and consistency, leaving nothing to chance. Through automation and science, liquid sweetness takes its final shape, transforming into the sparkling crystals used around the world. In slow motion, the final transformation unfolds. Tiny sugar crystals emerge, forming layer by layer, growing in perfect balance. Under cinematic light, each crystal sparkles, sharp edges catching reflections, revealing intricate textures shaped by time and control. What began as raw cane juice is now refined into pure structure, precise and flawless. Surrounded by a soft industrial hum, this moment captures the essence of the process, where science meets patience and sweetness takes solid form. The crystals are now on the move. High-speed conveyors carry freshly formed sugar through vibrating screens, separating each grain with precision. Powerful dryers remove the last traces of moisture, while controlled airflow hisses through the system. Every vibration, every pulse ensures uniform size, dryness, and purity. This stage defines the final quality, turning fragile crystals into stable, free-flowing white sugar, ready for packaging and global distribution. At the final stage, precision takes over. Automated machines measure, fill, and seal the finished sugar with flawless sync. Each bag is formed, filled, and closed in a continuous motion. Fast, accurate, and efficient. Labels roll into place as seals click shut, protecting the purity inside. From raw sugarcane to a branded package, the journey is complete, ready to leave the factory and reach kitchens around the world. Pure, refined sugar flows into branded bags, sealed with perfect accuracy by synchronized machines. Every package represents the final result of precision, cleanliness, and industrial excellence. From a sweeping aerial view, the full scale of the packaging hall is revealed. Long rows of automated machines and skilled workers operate side by side, moving in flawless coordination under bright LED lighting. Every conveyor, every control panel, and every sealed bag reflects the efficiency of a modern industrial system built for precision and speed. Here, technology and human oversight come together to ensure consistency, safety, and quality at every step. This is the final chapter of the journey, where sugarcane harvested from distant fields becomes perfectly packaged crystal sugar, ready to leave the factory, travel across borders, and reach millions of homes around the world. Before any package leaves the factory, it passes through careful human inspection. Workers in full safety gear examine each bag under bright LED lighting, checking clarity, weight, and seal quality. Every detail matters, from the transparency of the sugar crystals to the strength of each seal. Automated systems assist, but trained eyes and steady hands provide the final assurance of quality. Soft inspection beeps echo through the hall as standards are verified and approved. Only after meeting strict requirements is each bag cleared to move forward, ensuring that every package of sugar leaving this factory is pure, safe, and ready for consumers. As production comes to an end, Distribution begins. Forklifts move steadily across the factory floor, lifting and stacking finished sugar bags and boxers with precision and care. One by one, pallets are loaded onto massive delivery trucks waiting at the docks. Engines rumble to life as warm factory lights glow in the background, marking the transition from manufacturing to movement. From this point, the sugar will travel far beyond these walls, across cities, countries, and continents, reaching stores, businesses, and homes. What started as fresh sugarcane in the fields now continues its journey to the world. As the sun sets, the camera rises above the factory, revealing the full scale of the sugar complex below. Golden light washes over metal rooftops, reflecting the day's work and the power of modern industry. This is more than a factory. It is a place where nature, technology, and human effort come together. From harvested cane to crystal sugar, every step is guided by precision and purpose. As the light fades and the music swells, the journey comes to a close. A story of transformation, craftsmanship, and the sweetness that connects the world.
And that's how cane sugar is made, 2TG, from fresh sugarcane to shiny crystal sugar.